Following the closing arguments from Johnny Depp's attorneys, Amber Heard's attorney Benjamin Rottenborn addressed the jury before the actor's $50 million defamation lawsuit verdict. In his closing argument, Rottenborn told the jury that the actress would win the case even if Amber were abused just once. He also implied that Depp's witnesses might have lied about what happened. What did Rottenborn say, and how did it affect the pending appeal, since he unintentionally brought it up during the closing arguments? Let's learn more about the witnesses that Mr. Depp has presented on his. Almost all of them are paid after the morning break of 15 minutes. Rottenborn said he asked the jury to concentrate on the message that Depp's legal team was promoting for those who had experienced domestic abuse. Violence. In addition to his earlier remarks, the defense attorney warned the jury that, should they find Depp not guilty, they would be complicit in the alleged domestic abuse. However, this was not the case. They were unable to alter their accounts from the divorce depositions because Rottenborn was directing and paying Amber Heard's former friends to testify. Now that Rottenborn and Amber's payment to witnesses to lie under oath, including Joshua Drew, Elizabeth Mars, Ellen Barkin, Tillett Wright, and Raquel, has been proven by a leaked request for admission document. Pennington. At the conclusion of the hearing, the attorney attempted to address this by making a different claim. During the closing argument, Rottenborn alleged that Johnny Depp had somehow. This is what he said in detail: Mr. Depp paid the witnesses he brought in to testify against Amber Heard. The witnesses that he paraded up here are almost all on his payroll. This is lying under oath because he cannot demonstrate that Depp paid his witnesses. As we stated in the opening, telling you whatever you need to hear to support him. Depp's supporters slammed Rottenborn's claims and his remarks to the jury, and some cracked jokes about how the attorney exaggerated the events between Depp and Amber. Amber's appeal could be impacted by the fact that Rottenborn lied about other matters in Virginia in addition to the witness saga. During the trial, Johnny Depp's attorney alleged that he had lied about his sobriety for 18 months prior to your trip to Australia. In 2015, to screen Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales. Rottenborn was referring to a section of an insurance form filled out by the Walt Disney Company that asked if the actor had ever used illegal drugs, whether they had been prescribed by a doctor or not. The actor checked the box. No. Regarding Mr. Rottenborn's claims in court, a source close to the Depp team claimed that the actress's defense was asserting that her former husband lied on the form. The fact that a man, who had endured a lot over the previous 6 years, was treated with aggression, and, coincidentally, a jackhammer approach shows that Johnny has been mistreated in ways that go well beyond Ms. Heard's heinous grievances. Mr. Rottenborn has yet to make the connection between the behavior and the colorful texts, for which Johnny has already apologized, and he never will, according to the Depp's team. Has multiple instances of Rottenborn lying under oath, and how they will use that during the appeal is still unknown. To make matters worse, legal professionals now believe that Depp will have more evidence than Rottenborn. Those with nothing to lose in the upcoming appeal discussing the Aquaman actress's most recent effort to gain some advantage in the legal conflict with Depp. Legal authorities assert that Amber's there is little chance of success on appeal. The challenge in an appeal is not only demonstrating that the court erred, but also that the error was significant enough to have probably had an impact on the outcome. Given that Depp won the hearing without taking into account the lies of Rottenborn and company, an expert explains that is unusual and unlikely in this instance. Only speculate on how the appeal will proceed, and this is the last video for now. See you later. Bye.